filling up to empty. Hope my heap don't fall apart till I borrow jumper cables. Is there another way to start? But things could be a whole lot worse if my life were a song. I just write another verse so my friends can sing along. I know 10,000 when you're rich don't mean a 20 when you ain't. And I don't pick or blame my friends 'cause they're a sinner or a saint. As long as they just like me like I am. And to those who think I'm crazy, you know, I don't give a damn. And I don't feel like I'm a loser 'cause I haven't lost my pride. Through the years I've learned to kinda like this person that's inside. Although I've cried, I haven't lost my hopes and dreams. Like these clothes, they're getting shabby, but still holding at the seams. And I would love to live forever, and for sure I'm gonna try. But I've heard that 23rd Psalm for much younger ones than I. So if I go, remember my life's been a song, and it's been fun in writing verses so my friends can sing along while they are filling up to empty. Hope their heaps don't fall apart till they borrow jumper cables. Is there another way to start?